Forget everything you thought you knew because Adobe Illustrator is leveling up, and we're jumping headfirst into the freshest features of version 25. First up, let's take a peek into the streamlined user interface. The overall layout has gotten a serious facelift, making it easier to find the tools you need, with a more intuitive feel that'll speed up your workflow. Notice how everything feels cleaner, better organized. That's the goal. Now, let's dive into some powerful new tools and enhancements. Illustrator 2025 is beefing up its AI capabilities to help you make even better designs. This new AI feature transforms rough sketches into polished graphics. This is a game changer, and with a few clicks you will have great elements. Another significant update aims for enhanced design efficiency. You'll find upgraded features that simplify complex tasks, like shape manipulation or color management, allowing you to iterate faster and achieve more polished results in less time. Say goodbye to those tedious steps. And finally, one of the best features is the smoother integration with other Adobe applications. You can seamlessly move assets between programs like Photoshop and After Effects. This is perfect for creating immersive designs, and also ensures consistency across all projects. So that's your sneak peek at Adobe Illustrator 2025. There's a new level of design improvements in store, so get ready to revamp your workflow and generate some amazing content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. #Illustrator Update, #New Features.